Perfect. And now that you've downloaded all the files, well, the WP-content folder and export the database, your next step is to install a fresh copy of WordPress on the customer's or the client's hosting account. And now with this, I'm going to assume that they do not have a live website yet. If they do, you'll want to move their files into an archive folder and create a brand new instance of WordPress. It just makes things that much easier. And remember, like I said earlier, the default files for WordPress are the same across hosting providers, across servers. It's the same. The only real difference is the content within the database and then the content within the WP-content folder. So go ahead and install a fresh copy of WordPress on their hosting account. Make any backups if you're overwriting files or moving files before you do so. Always protect yourself just in case. But go ahead and install that fresh copy of WordPress, and I'll see you in the next lesson.